What's up guys, it's Taylor. Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having the best week ever so far. So today I'm just gonna be having a super healthy day in my life. I want to show you guys what I'm eating, my workouts, and yeah, I know this will be going up on the weekend, so I hope that I can maybe help remind you of your health goals. I feel like the weekends are definitely the hardest when it comes to staying on track, but you know, we only get one life, so if you skip a workout or multiple workouts and eat healthy, then please just forgive yourself and start over, make better choices the next day. Personally, all about living a balanced lifestyle. Like, I really wanted to try that new Travis Scott McDonald's meal, so that's exactly what I did last night, and I did not feel guilty one bit. I'm just gonna make better choices today and move on. That's all you can really do. All right, so I think I'm just gonna make a protein smoothie for breakfast today because obviously I did not eat the best last night, so I just want to keep it super simple, healthy, light on the calories, but I still want to be full. Like, I want it to last me until lunchtime, so that's why I'm adding the protein. Also, please ignore these boxes in the back. They are my boyfriend's partners. He just moved to Arizona, so he sent a bunch of stuff to our apartment, and yeah. So I want to keep it super simple today, so I'm just using some PE Science chocolate protein powder in the flavor chocolate cupcake. It's so good. Then I'm also going to add some Vital Proteins collagen powder. This really helps with your hair, skin, and nails, and I always forget to add it to my smoothies, but I really want to incorporate it more into my diet because it's so good for you. Then we have one banana, some almond milk, and I'm also going to add some ice. I'm just gonna drink my smoothie while I get some work done at my computer. I'm also trying to make sure that I'm drinking tons of water today. If you guys struggle with drinking enough water, you guys should definitely get yourself a reusable water bottle with a straw, because I swear it has really upped my water game, and yeah, it just makes it so much easier to take a sip of water. I forgot I need to take my vitamin today. I've been taking this vitamin D supplement by NatureWise. It helps boost your immune system and also supports bone health and muscle function. So I just take one of these like after I eat with some water. I'm finally gonna head down to the gym. It's like 3 o'clock right now. I'm gonna focus on cardio and abs today. So I'll probably do an ab workout plus go on the stair climber for like 30 minutes or so, and yeah, should be pretty good. Having a super good workout, but I'm starving, so I'm definitely gonna make lunch right when I get back from the gym now. I'm feeling so good. I'm so happy that I went. I totally forgot about watching a YouTube video like to pass the time while you're on the treadmill or the stair climber, because once I did that today, I was watching Maggie McDonald's new video. Her puppy is so freaking cute. It really helped me pass the time and get through my workout, because I saw that I had 15 minutes left and I was like, oh my god, how am I gonna get through this? And yeah, watching a video, I was distracted and it was over before I knew it. Anyway, I'm finally gonna eat. I've seriously only had that smoothie today, which is kind of insane. I don't know how I've lasted this long. It's literally 4:46 and like, what? I need to eat something. So I'm actually gonna make these buffalo cauliflower tacos. They sound pretty fire. I've never made them before, but I'm super excited because I'm starving and they sound delicious. Guys, I decided to watch a movie while I'm cooking because I don't know, I'm just in the movie mood right now. So I'm gonna watch this movie called The Paramedic. It's a psychological thriller. It sounds kind of scary. It's like trending on Netflix. I found it in the trending section. So let me read you like the summary. It says, unable to face his new reality in a wheelchair, Angel develops a deadly obsession with the woman who left him and unleashes a sinister revenge plot. Ooh, this is my kind of movie. I love thrillers. So I got the cauliflower here. I added olive oil, buffalo sauce, and garlic powder, and now I'm just mixing it up. I'm gonna add this onto this baking sheet and put it in the oven for like 20 minutes and flip it halfway through. Okay, I'm getting too hungry while cooking, so I'm gonna have some tomatoes with this spinach and kale Greek yogurt dip. I had it the other day and it's actually really good. So for toppings, I have avocado, green onion, and lettuce. I'm also making a Greek yogurt ranch dressing. I don't have any ranch here, so I'm just gonna make my own, and this is probably healthier, honestly. I'm just using what I have here. Hopefully it will taste like ranch, but yeah, so Greek yogurt, oregano, garlic, I have some lemon juice, and I'm also gonna add some water just to thin it out a little bit. Update on how these tacos are. Yeah, 10 out of 10. They literally taste like tacos I would get at a restaurant. I'm not even kidding. They are so freaking good. I really want to make these for Ari, so I might even make them again tomorrow night because I have a bunch of ranch left. So yeah, I'm so impressed. Like, they're so good. Also, they were so easy to make, so highly recommend, guys. Like, amazing. Ew, I'm sorry to cry on camera. I just want to keep it real. I'm missing my family right now. Just haven't seen them in so long. But I'm gonna go visit them for Thanksgiving, so that'll be nice. And I'm just missing my friends. I don't have a lot out here, so that's the sucky part about moving, but I knew that was coming. It's definitely harder once you're here. But I really want to meet new people, so I'm gonna go visit everyone though, so it'll be okay. I'm just having a moment right now. Just trying to drink my coffee. Not think about this, so. So sorry about that cringe moment, but I'm feeling a lot better. I've watched some YouTube videos and now I'm actually gonna make a simple, healthy dessert because I've been really wanting to make it. There are these frozen blueberry yogurt bites. They're literally so easy to make. You just take blueberries, dunk them in yogurt and freeze them. I'll probably add though some honey or like maple syrup to the Greek yogurt because it doesn't really have any flavor. So let's do that. Forgot about the blueberries because I was editing the video. Also, I'm so sorry if I come across cranky in this video because I have been PMSing. My period is right around the corner, so I apologize if I seem a little off in this vid. They're actually a little melty, and I think it's because I put it on tin foil. The recipe said to use parchment paper, but I don't have any. I'm freezing my finger by holding this. But they're actually really good. They're very yogurty. I'd probably get like a flavored yogurt next time. Maybe like vanilla or something. But they're actually pretty good. Like, I can definitely see this as like a quick snack or just like a healthy dessert or something. All right guys, I think that is it for today's video. I really hope you will try out that cauliflower taco recipe because honestly I'm still thinking about it. It was that good, so please try it out for yourself. But yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. I will see you in my next one. Stay safe, stay healthy, bye.